This thing has literally changed my life. For the past year, my hair was falling out at a really alarming rate. I was getting really scared at just the amount of chunks that were coming out every time I did this. It got to the point that when I was getting my hair done, my hairdresser was at the bowl with me washing my hair, and she was like, you're scaring me. You need to figure out how to get this switched up or you're gonna have to go to a doctor for testing. I switched all my products, shampoo, conditioner, everything, and it just was not helping. And I finally switched to the iRESTORE professional device, and it has been a game changer. Every other day, I wear this cute little helmet for 25 minutes. It has 282 medical grade lasers and LEDs, and it is just insane what it has done for my hair. My hair is just finally so much longer and thicker. I'm finally getting compliments from friends and family who are noticing. This is the craziest part to me. I actually got my hair done last month, and look how much regrowth I've had. I mean, that is insane from where my hair was at last year. Love that it has extended scalp coverage and is non-invasive. I have never been happier having helmet hair. So follow along with me while I show you guys how I'm repairing my hair with iRESTORE. And I have a code for you guys to use so that you can get money off of yours. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.